How to create SEO content that ranks on Google. Now I have only two things to tell you, but before that, I'm gonna introduce you AI SEO Writer that auto-publishes your blog to whatever CMS software you are using. Now more about this in a later part of this video. With that being said, I'm just gonna tell you the first thing is create first people content. Okay, so what you wanna do is when you create first people content, like let's just say maybe it's a FAQ, like answering one-on-one questions. So it's like really targeting one-on-one people. Like if you solve somebody's pain point, then that person trust and come back to your website and looks other articles, right? If you don't really create for first people content, like if the person who is coming to your website is not he's coming with some intent, right? So he's not getting that, then like if his intent is not fulfilled, then he might go back to another website and never come back to your web, just because you lost the authority and just because you failed to fulfill the first people content. Okay, so you just give them, and the best way to give is by answering one-on-one, as you already has experience, like what I'm talking about, right? The best place to find first people content questions is answerthepublic.com. So if I go to answerthepublic.com, you can see you can literally enter topic, brand, or product. It's gonna give you what are the questions frequently is asked by people. It's gonna give you this pin wheel, and you can pick and try to create first people content. That's like really focus on really high intent keyword. The second thing is the type of keyword variations that are already ranking. Now what I mean by that, let's just say I'm just going to type in a keyword. Okay, so let me just go to the Google. So I just type kayaking as my keyword. So I'm just going to scroll down, and here I can see people also ask. Now if I drop down this and I get this website, right? So if I click here, it's going to take me to the blog page. Now this is a blog page and it's ranking for a reason. Now here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick the keyword which is ranking, which I want to rank, and then Control F for finding, and here you simply type kayaking and you can see all the variations of the keyword used in a blog article. So this way you can really give or use this keyword variations and try to recreate this, okay, instead of creating the duplicating the whole content. With that being said, this is Arvow AI SEO dashboard, and here you get a option called generate articles, all articles, AI SEO editor, blog automation. You can integrate to various CMS softwares including Shopify, WordPress, and custom API, and also Blogger. Okay, and then we have social media automation, like you auto publish to your social media. And then we have general articles. So under this we have 4 features as we talked. Like I'm gonna leave a link in the description, make sure you check it out. You can try it for free. So here I'm just gonna simply enter a word. Okay, so let's just say kayaking, right? So I'm just gonna simply type here kayaking and simply add keyword. It's gonna take me to the waitlist, and as soon as I go into the waitlist, you can click on this edit option, and here you can customize whatever you want. Okay, so it's literally AI SEO agent. Now let me show you one of the blog articles it has generated previously. So one of the viewer try to create this local SEO blog article. So here's the local SEO blog article which we have created for near me keywords, and it's really good. You can also see the images were very well AI generated, and also you can see the tables, and also it, guys, whenever this Arvow AI is writing article, it pulls up the latest information from the web. It has access to deep web, and it writes articles. Okay, and then we have nice FAQs right here. So with that being said, there'll be a link in the description. Make sure to check that out. By the way, if you're really interested to know how to write SEO blog articles, I just made a 1-hour tutorial. You can check this video out, which is displaying on a screen.